think that are the 2020 practice tests and solutions. I'm going to rip through a few of these. First one, this is a page full of derivatives. So y equals 12x cubed. So question 1 over here, that's where we'll show what question we're up to. You probably won't be able to read this at this point. Okay, is this a product rule? Do I see a UV? No. This is simply piece by piece. You do one piece, then the next piece. So typically, this question also said, do not simplify. So here we go. If that's y, this is dy by dx. If that had been f of x, this would have been f dash of x. 3 times by 12 is 36. X to the power 1 less. Subtract. Now we're going to multiply by whatever the derivative of sin x is. And I hope that you understand that derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. The derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, so cos x. This question is done. Question did say, do not simplify. Looking along. Okay, y equals cos x times e to the x. Here, I do see a product, u, v. So I'm going to go to the side here and write u dash. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of e to the x, v dash, is e to the x. Disappointing, there's not a number in front of the e that I have to multiply, use a chain rule, but there you go. So dy by dx is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. I always use this order because it's the order that's used in the quotient rule. Right, let's substitute your numbers in. Minus sin x times e to the x plus the original u times v dash. And v dash, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Now, although it says do not simplify, you know that I always like to sort this out. Sorry for reversing the minus sin plus cos, but it looks better that way. Okay, 1 part C is y equals ln sin x. Okay, so this is the chain rule. It's the next one on my little list of parties. Chain rule. The f of g of x is the outside derivative with the g inside times g dash, or the inside. Okay, well, this is the inside one. So again, y, so dy by dx is 1 over whatever's in the bracket, multiplied by the derivative of the bracket. And the derivative of the bracket is the derivative of all this is cos x. So we could rightly rewrite it. There's a 1, which is actually the upside down of tan. That's like 1 on tan. That's tan upside down, but that's for specialist maths people to worry about, not us. Okay, D. Y equals 4 cos x. Very tempting to do the quotient rule and have u dash v minus u v dash over v squared. However, this is just a number. So I could rewrite this as 4, I'll do it in a nice green bracket, looks better. Cos x to the power minus 1. It's a power law question. So d, dy by dx is 4 times by the minus 1 bracket to the minus 2. What's inside the bracket is unchanged, and we multiply by a derivative. And derivative of cos is minus sin. Now, just so I don't end up multiplying that, adding that, I'm going to put that there. Well, this time I will put these things together. There's my fraction. This is on the bottom. That's the other way of writing cos squared x. Please remember that. Minus times minus, 4 times sine. Okay. Now for specialist maths people, this is, part of this makes tan. So I won't write that down, it's confusing us. I think that's one done. Oh, more to come. Next video. Okay, a bit more of this. Y equals square root of 5 cos 3x. So this is chain rule again, zooming along. So because this question, we realised that you could rewrite this as, there we go. So dy by dx equals 1/2 bracket to the minus 1/2. 5 cos 3x. Unchanged in the bracket. Now we're going to do the derivative of that. Put it in a square bracket. 5 cos blah 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 is the derivative is 5 sine blah blah blah. 5 sine blah blah blah. Did I say that? I do believe I meant to say minus 5 sine 3x. And the derivative of the 3x is 3. Okay, root of cos is minus. On this occasion, we'll just do need to see this. There's the first piece. People okay with that? That's what all that means. And here's the minus sign. 5 times 3 is 15. So we'll put it all on one fraction. There's the 2 minus 15 sin 3x. That's just about ready for the calculator. Right. F. Apparently on the practice sheet it's called E again. All right. Y equals sin x cos x. Okay. U dash equals cos x. V dash equals V minus sin x. U dash V plus U V dash. Right. Every time we show when we go from the function to the derivative. Okay, so cos x times cos x plus u sin x times. Oh, looks a lot like cos squared x plus sin squared x. However, it is not, because it doesn't say plus here. So the answer is not 1. So don't get too excited. All right. As an aside, this could have been written as sin 2x equals 2 sin x cos x. No, this is not for most people to worry about. This is more for the specialist people. So 1/2 sin 2x equals sin x cos x, and you would have done the derivative of this. Okay, so that's the 1/2 times by cos 2x times by 2. That would cancel that. So that's what some specialist maths people might have done. Rest of us, we're just following those.